Hey there. Just a really quick tip for super quick book repairs. You can, so like I've got this, it's an old New Testament of my mom's. It ripped apart at some point, so it's like a glued binding and it just split right down the middle. You obviously can just tape this, you would think, but the main thing is you want to get special book tape. The one I'm using is actually called, the brand is BookGuard. I don't know if you can see that. The main thing is it's archival quality. It'll last forever. You can get it in big fat rolls. That's the other thing I would say is make sure to get a big fat roll. This is like 3 or 4 inches here. And so yeah, you can just cut a simple piece, and from that you can repair your books, and you won't have to worry about it yellowing and messing up the cover and any of that kind of stuff. This is really good archival quality tape. But yeah, that's the main thing, is just be careful, be slow, and use good archival quality book tape. Like in this case, the brand I'm using is called BookGuard. And you put this on. There. There. And then of course, really make sure to get the bubbles out. And line everything up just perfect. Roll it over. Roll it over. I'm going to let that sit for a bit. And I'm going to read it because I've never actually heard of the TEV, 2 Days English Version. I've never heard of that one. But yeah, it was my mom's. Long time ago. When was this actually? It looks like 1966. American Bible Society. So you can see it's still obvious that it's split, but it's not going to come apart. Not anymore. And that'll work for, this works really good for like these kind of glued bindings. You can also, I've also done this to non-glued bindings, like other, like hardbacks, especially, well, with hardback it's usually the cover that's coming off, you can just do a single piece. And yeah, easy as it gets. Hope that helps.